Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my December Boxycharm. So this month's theme is Boxycharm Whimsy. This is what the card looks like, and I got variation number 9 right there. I don't know if you can see that. So the first thing that I got in my box is from Estetica. I'm not really sure how to say that, but it's a brush cleanser and conditioner. This retails for $12, so it's just a brush cleaner, and I guess it also helps condition your brushes. I haven't used this yet, but I really need to wash my brushes, so I'm probably going to test this out tonight. Now I will say it does have a very strong like minty tea tree scent, because there is tea tree extract in that, so I'm hoping that this won't like linger on the brushes and then end up like irritating my face, because I do have very sensitive skin. So I guess I'll see how this goes. I will leave a like pinned comment or a little message in the description, like if this scent lingers on the brushes after they are washed and dried. So the next thing that I got in my box is from Brow Bar. It's their True Brow Makeover kit. I didn't use this today because I totally forgot that I got it in my box, but it's just this little eyebrow kit. It comes with 2 different powders and then this like concealing highlighting brow shade, which I'm not really too sure about, and then you open it up and the brow mascara falls out. But yeah, you do get a little brow mascara, and then it also comes with a little like dual-ended brush. So this little eyebrow kit retails for $30, which to me I think is a little pricey for this, but at the same time you are getting 2 different powders, a like kind of highlighting shade, a little brow like gel, and then a dual-ended brush. But I personally don't think it's probably worth $30, but so the next thing that I got in my box is from Ciate London, and it's their Marbled Light Illuminating Blush, and I got the shade Dusk. This is what the packaging looks like. It's very like reflective, and you can see fingerprints and all that, and then that's the back. That's just what the actual blush looks like. Like I said, this is in the shade Dusk. It's a super pretty like rosy pink, and I am wearing this today. It's super pretty. I really love the color of it. I love blush, and I especially love like illuminating blushes, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. I really like the color, and I like the little compact, and I like how it does have a little mirror. So the blush retails for $26. So the next thing that's in my box is from Lms, and it's their Pro-Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Now this was a choice item. It was either between this and the Saturday Skin like Glacier moisturizer, and I chose this, but my choice actually never went through to Boxycharm, so I'm really happy that I still ended up getting this because I really wanted to try it out. Now the Rose Facial Oil from Lms does retail for $79, which is really pricey, but Lms is a more like luxury skincare brand, and I got a face mask from them in a Boxycharm that I really love. So their products are pricey, but I think they're worth it because they have really nice ingredients. But yeah, this is just what the bottle looks like for the Rose Facial Oil. It's super pretty. Now I will say I haven't used this like on my face yet, but not even opening the bottle, it has a very strong rose scent. So if you're like really sensitive to smells, or if you don't like the smell of roses, you probably won't like this. Like I said, I haven't put this on my face yet, so I'm hoping the smell won't irritate my skin or anything, because yeah, it has a very strong smell of roses. It smells really nice, but like I said, I have sensitive skin, so I'm really hoping that this won't like irritate my skin or break me out or anything. And then the last thing that I got in my box is a palette from Storybook Cosmetics, and it's the Little Red Riding Hood version. I love the packaging of this brand. It like literally looks like a book, and then you open it up and that's what the inside of the palette looks like. It does have a mirror, so I'm just trying not to blind you guys, but this is what the inside of the storybook palette looks like. It's super pretty. Now I am not going to be using this at all. I'm actually going to save this for a future giveaway, just because I have very similar colors like this, all these warm tones in my collection already, and as much as I do want to try this brand out, I just don't need another warm tone eyeshadow palette. I don't know, I'm trying to like use all the palettes that I have or I haven't used in a long time, and I've realized that I have way too many eyeshadow palettes for one person, so I just really want to save this for a future giveaway for you guys. So yeah, I'm not going to be using this. I haven't touched it. I've just opened it to show you guys. So yeah, that's just what it looks like. Again, it is super pretty, and like I said, I would love to try this and test out their formula, but I just would rather save this for someone that will get more use out of this. And the eyeshadow palette does retail for $35. So yeah, that was everything in my December 2019 Boxycharm. Now I know this video's pretty short and I usually would try this stuff on, but like I said, I want to save the eyeshadow palette for a future giveaway, and I had already applied the blush before I started filming. But yeah, I think this month was pretty good. I'm excited to see how this brush cleaner like works, because I just use the regular like Blue Dawn original dish soap. That's hard to say, but I just use that and it works perfectly fine, and it doesn't have a scent. So I am curious to see if the tea tree scent does linger. I'm hoping it doesn't, because I feel like that might be a little irritating on my skin, but like I said, I will see, and I will leave a little comment about if the smell lingers at all. I'm excited to test out the Lms Facial Oil, same thing as like the brush cleaner. I'm hoping the scent doesn't like irritate my skin or anything, so I don't even know if I'll test this out. I mean, I might, and then I might just end up giving it to my mom. I really love the blush. It's just a super pretty color, and I can see myself wearing it a lot. I love blush. So yeah, that was everything in my box. Let me know which variation you guys got, because there was two different colors of this palette. There's this more warm tone, and then there was one with more greenish shades, which is the one that I wanted, but that's okay. I'll just save this for a giveaway. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!